good example of that would be Rachel Palin.
Yes, I was just about to say, boy, and I'm going to say this to the camera, you guys missed out. There were only about 11 of us, 12 of us in the room.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
And that, I gotta say, that's so far to me, that's the most worthwhile of the ones that I've been to so far. I mean, really, really eye-opening in terms of what she was talking about.
I do think though that she was right in not recording.
Yes.
Because totally I mean, you had to be there, but if she'd have recorded that, I don't think the impact on the audience would have been anywhere near as great as it was. So
yeah. Because there was a moment there where I felt I was like undergoing psychotherapy with an audience. And if you don't get that joke, that's because you didn't go.
That's right.
That's right.
We watched her brain hack Jose. It was great.
Yeah.
It was amazing. It was amazing to watch a professional show us how it's done. I mean, it's one thing to use your PowerPoint slides and say step 1, step 2, step 3, but to actually show us exactly what she was talking about, that was really, really impactful.
And to show you just how powerful her method was, she had me speechless for like 3 or 4 seconds.
I know. Something I've never seen.
Right.